ٹھیک ہوں جوڈا آپ کیسے ہیں؟
آپ کیسے ہیں؟
میں ٹھیک ہوں.
آپ بھی ٹھیک ہیں. اوکے گریٹ. دیٹ مے بی یو آلسو سی دی بیوٹی آف پاکستان, مے بی بیوٹی آف گرلز آئی ایم آسکنگ فار.
I'm married, so I'm not going to speak to that point.
بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. ناظرین آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں راول پوائنٹ اور میں ہوں آپ کا میزبان CNA. آج ہم یہاں پر موجود ہیں F9, جہاں پہ میں نے سنا ہے لوگوں سے کہ یہاں پر بہت سے فارنرز آتے ہیں. تو آج ہم یہاں پر موجود تھے کہ ہم ان کا انٹرویو لیں اور ان سے یہ جانیں کہ وہ پاکستان کے بارے میں کیسے خیالات رکھتے ہیں. تو آئیے ہمارے پاس فارنر موجود ہیں جو کہ جارجیا سے ہیں. چلتے ہیں اور ان سے انٹرویو کرتے ہیں اور ان سے پتہ کرتے ہیں کہ what they think about Pakistan and how they feel safe or maybe they feel in danger about Pakistan. So come and I will meet with you after video. Bye bye. Yeah, hi. Good afternoon to all of the viewers. Today maybe the people from Georgia are here, so we can take an interview from these guys and then we will let you know that how they learn Urdu here in Pakistan and how they feel here in Pakistan. So hi sir, how are you?
میں ٹھیک ہوں جوڈا آپ کیسے ہیں؟
آپ کیسے ہیں؟
میں ٹھیک ہوں.
آپ بھی ٹھیک ہیں. اوکے گریٹ. تو آپ یہ بتائیں کہ آپ پاکستان کتنے سال سے ہیں؟
تقریباً 2 سال ہو گیا اب تک.
2 سال آپ کو ہو گئے ہیں. تو آپ نے پاکستان میں کیسا فیل کیا؟ کیونکہ ایز کمپیئر ٹو ادر کنٹریز وہ پاکستان کو ایک ٹیرورسٹ کنٹری کہتے ہیں. تو آپ اس کو کیا کہیں گے کہ آپ یہاں کیسا فیل کرتے ہیں؟
ادھر بہت اچھا لگا. ہمیں پاکستان بہت پسند ہے. اور جوڈا how do you feel about Pakistan? Do you like living in Pakistan?
Yes.
Yes.
اوکے. تو آپ کو پاکستان کی ڈشز میں کون کون سی ڈش اچھی لگتی ہے؟
Oh, what food do you like?
I like McDonald's.
McDonald's?
میکڈونلڈس.
Do you like بھنڈی قیمہ؟
Yes.
یس. اوکے. تو آپ یہاں پہ کیا کرتے ہیں؟
میں کاروباری آدمی ہوں. سو ہمارے پاس ایکسپورٹنگ کمپنی.
اوکے.
ہاں سو اس لیے
آپ کو پاکستان رہنا پڑا ہے.
ہاں
اس لیے آپ کو پاکستان رہنا پڑا ہے کیونکہ آپ ایک بزنس مین ہیں.
ہاں صحیح بات.
صحیح بات.
ہاں.
تو آپ کب واپس جاتے ہیں جارجیا؟
کرونا کی وجہ سے ہمیں نہیں پتا, لیکن جب کرونا کا حالت ختم ہوگا پھر ہم ادھر جائیں گے. لیکن کرونا کا حالت امریکہ میں بہت خراب ہے.
اس وجہ سے آپ پاکستان اسٹے کر رہے ہیں.
ہاں صحیح بات.
تو ابھی یہ ہے کہ ہمارے کچھ ویورز جو ہیں وہ بھی فورن کنٹری سے ہیں, تو وہ کہتے ہیں ہمارے فورنرز انگلش بھی بول کے ہمیں بتائیں کہ ہاؤ دے فیل ہیئر ان پاکستان.
ہاں ادر فورنرس.
یا
آئی تھنک خاص طور پر اسلام آباد میں everyone is so happy. It's, as you can see, amazing place, beautiful area. We feel very safe. My wife drives alone, she travels alone, so we don't feel afraid at all.
Okay, because Islamabad is the second beautiful capital of whole world, because on first maybe it's London and the second one is Islamabad. So you are a lucky person who are living here in Islamabad.
We love it here. But also in Lahore is beautiful. We travel to Lahore, to Karachi. We've traveled all over Pakistan and we love the whole place and all the people.
So what you can tell me about few lines about northern areas if you visit that place?
I have just been to Natia Gully until now.
Maybe it's near Islamabad.
3 hours.
Okay, so maybe all the viewers who are looking to me or seeing this video, so what message you can convey to that guys?
Let's see. Most importantly, we have fallen in love with the people of Pakistan, with the mehman nawazi, with the hospitality. Truly, once you know someone, you are no longer a friend, you are family. And this is so special. We love this, that we have some of our best friends in the world are now Pakistanis.
Okay, and what's your relation with that guy?
He's also a businessman, and so he came and just we're meeting together. I'm giving him some advice of what I've learned about the country.
For Pakistan. So I can take you a lot of time. It's a pleasure for me. So now I will take in a couple of seconds of this guy, so I can learn more about the foreigners campaign, that what they learned here from Pakistan. Okay, so have a great and a lovely day. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay, Allah
Thank
Hafiz.
you.
Okay, we need to pack up.
We gotta go in a second, so. But yeah.
Yeah, hi. Good afternoon.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Your eyes look so much gorgeous.
Oh, shukriya.
Shukriya.
Yeah.
It's mean you also learned Urdu
So
here?
मैं उर्दू सीख रहा हूँ, so थोड़ी थोड़ी.
तोरी तोरी आप
Yeah.
जैसे मुझे तोरी तोरी इंग्लिश आती है, आप तोरी तोरी उर्दू सीख रहे हैं.
So, and I take my hat off?
Yeah.
I'll flip it around. So
You look so much
There you go.
gorgeous.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
All
So
right.
maybe right now you are sitting here in F9 Park. Maybe it's the capital of Pakistan, Islamabad.
Okay.
So what you think about this Pakistan? Maybe it's a safe country, or maybe there is something danger here.
Yeah, so similarly to my contemporary here, I would say that it's beautiful, and there's a lot of people from the West that have maybe some hesitations of coming, but I would say to any viewer out there, you should come to Pakistan, you should check it out and see the beauty for yourself.
Or you from which country?
America,
America. From which state?
Georgia.
Okay, you are from this same place.
Same place.
Okay, and great. And one more thing I want to ask from you, that maybe you also see the beauty of Pakistan, maybe beauty of girls I am asking for.
I'm married, so I'm not going to speak to that point. But yeah, there's a lot of beautiful things to see here.
Because right now I'm working in Amarat, in UAE, Dubai, which is maybe which is the one of the most capital city, or maybe like think about tourists.
Okay.
So here maybe you can say one person can marry more than 3 to 4 girls. Maybe there is no same idea in America.
Yeah, we don't do that in America, so that's yeah, people want to do that in Pakistan, that's okay, but for us in America, we don't really do that.
Okay, in Pakistan everybody do.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay,
We
great.
just got here, so not really sure.
So what you want to maybe deliver something, or deliver one message to all of the viewers who are seeing you right now?
Yeah, I would say it's important to know that there's many different people across the world that have different ideas, but I think but I would say it's important to just meet people and ask and be curious about who they are, and then find those commonalities and build the friendship from there, because there's a lot of conflict that happens when people don't do that and they maintain their prejudice and hostility.
Great. And maybe right now I receive one call from maybe the Prime Minister of Pakistan. They are also asking one question from you, that maybe the people of America, maybe they have maybe the clear skin, but the Pakistani people, maybe you can see 50% white and 50% light brownish skin. Why?
Okay. Why is that? I don't know.
You don't know about
I
this?
don't know.
Okay, maybe it's the creation of Allah Almighty.
Sure, I'm not exactly sure.
Because I really love the people of America.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Yeah, there's a lot of different people here, and it's good to get to know them.
Okay, so the last question from my side, because I cannot take you a lot of time, because the time is so much precious to everybody. I can ask a simple question of general knowledge from you, and I can judge that the people who are living in America, maybe they have a common sense more than the common sense of Pakistan.
I don't know if you want to judge all of America based on me.
Yeah, because you represent America right now in Pakistan.
Okay,
so I have my question is, for example, if one aeroplane, if it fly with the speed of 720 kilometer in 1 hour, then in 15 minutes how much it travels?
All right, we do not operate in kilometers, we operate in miles. So I am unable to answer your question right now.
I will tell you.
It's okay, shukriya. It's all right.
It's mean I ask a difficult question from you. Okay, the last line you repeat what I say, because right now I am talking with you with the base of Rawal Pindi vlogs. So you can say only a one line that I can say, then you repeat. Rawal Pindi, Pindi, Pindiye.
Rawal Pindi, Pindi, Pindiye.
Pindi, Pindiye.
Pindi, Pindiye.
Pindi de jakat
What am I saying here? I want to make sure I know what I'm saying. This is in Urdu.
Okay, you also understand. Okay, thank you for giving me a lot of time. I really maybe thankful for you this time, and God bless you. Have a great and a lovely day. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you. All right, thanks. Allah Hafiz.
नाजरीन, ये थे हमारे कुछ दोस्त जो कि जॉर्जिया से यहाँ पर आए थे और यहाँ पे बिजनेस कर रहे थे. इनसे हमने बात की और इनसे पूछा कि वो पाकिस्तान के बारे में कैसे ख्यालात रखते हैं. और आई रियली गोना सो मच अस्टोनिश्ड व्हेन आई लिसन दैट दे हैव अ प्योर माइंड अबाउट पाकिस्तान, एंड आई टॉक टू देम. और यहाँ तक कि उनकी उर्दू भी बहुत साफ़ थी. वो एक शेर याद आता है कि सलीके से हवाओं में जो खुशबू घोल सकते हैं, अभी कुछ लोग बाकी हैं जो उर्दू बोल सकते हैं, तो हमारे पाकिस्तान के अलावा हमारे फॉरेन कंट्री के लोग भी जो पाकिस्तान को विज़िट करते हैं वो भी हमारी ज़बान को सीखते हैं, क्योंकि ज़बान इंसान की पहचान हुआ करती है। तो आप लोगों में भी अगर इस तरह का कोई यूनिक टैलेंट है तो आप भी कमेंट बॉक्स में हमें बताएं, ताकि हम भी आपकी आवाज़ बने और हमारा नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू आपसे हो। क्योंकि और जिन लोगों ने अभी तक हमारा रावल पॉइंट चैनल जो है उसको सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, तो वो सबसे पहले जाके सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाएं, ताकि हर आने वाली लेटेस्ट वीडियो आप तक बआसानी पहुंच सके। तो इजाज़त देंगे आप अपने होस्ट को, इंशाल्लाह मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ। अल्लाह हाफिज़, टेक केयर।